The balance equation does not work solely on the different parameters provided. Check the fourth example of water balance to observe a different case. Welcome to hydrology. The problem states that at a particular time, the water storage for a river is 60,000 cubic meters. At the same time, the inflow is 10 cubic meters per second and the outflow is 16 cms. After a 2-hour period, the inflow is recorded as 18 cubic meters per second and outflow is 20. The tasks are to determine the change during the 2-hour period and also the storage volume after the duration. Again, the water budget equation is inflow volume minus outflow volume as equated to the change in water storage. From the example, river inflow is tagged under inflow volume. River outflow goes to the other parameter, outflow volume. The procedure of categorizing each parameter in the premise is also observed in the previous examples. However, a different case follows the problem. There are just 2 parameters provided, but with each, 2 values are given. They are the initial and final values. We approach this situation by taking the average value. So for the inflow volume, where the only parameter is river inflow, take the average as the summation of the final and initial river inflows divided by 2. This is true for the river outflow, which is RO final plus RO initial divided by 2. The difference is the storage of the river during the 2-hour period. Place values giving half of 10 and 18 for the inflow volume. The outflow has half of 16 and 20 cubic meters per second. Simplifying each term, we get 14 cms minus 18 cubic meters per second, or that is negative 4 cubic meters per second. To take the volume during the whole duration, multiply the storage by 2 hours, where conversion factors of 60 seconds per minute and 60 minutes per hour help in taking out the time. Multiplying negative 4 by 2 with 60 by 60 give negative 28,800 cubic meters. The next requirement is the storage volume after 2 hours. This is the previous storage at the area plus the change of storage during the 2-hour period. The initial storage volume is 60,000 cubic meters as stated in the premise. Then the change of storage is negative 28,800 cubic meters as computed. This can then be simplified as 31,200 cubic meters. This is the storage volume of the river after the 2-hour observation period.